Hi guys, I'm Vijay Solanki and you're watching something of everything. In this short video, I'll show you how to stop auto download in WhatsApp. Auto download reduces your storage, your data, etc. etc. To stop that, just click on menu button, click on settings, go to data and storage uses, and click on when using mobile data. It shows all the auto downloads are check marked. Just remove this check mark and the new documents, videos, audios, or photos that will be coming to your WhatsApp will not be auto downloaded, and you have the authority to download it or not. When connected to my Wi-Fi, if you want them to download it automatically, you can check that. Otherwise, just uncheck it. This way, you can save your data as well as storage. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share the same. Thank you.